Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the tail lights bulbs of your Mini Cooper. Let's open the backside of your car by using, for example, your device. Now it's open, as you can see, and we have to open the backside more by flipping these levers up. These are two levers which locks this upper part. And now for a better working space, we have to lift up this cover again a little bit by zipping it out and then rotate it up and lock it back in position. But it's now more space in your back side of your car. Good job. Now let's have a look on the right side. For example, it's the same like the left side, and there is a little cover with a carpet on top, as you can see. This carpet you have to remove by taking it out, as you can see. Good job. And under this, at the back side of this, there it is, the tail lights. Let's have a look. There it is. This is the down tail light, and the middle is the one tail light, and on the upper. And all of these parts, we are going to replace the bulbs. Let's start with the first. Only rotate this left turn, and then you are able to extract the bulb. There it is, the bulb. How to extract the bulb out of the socket? Only push it back and rotate it left turn anti-clockwise a little bit, and then you are going to see how it works. There's one plus and one minus pole on the ground and on the left side, as you can see, and if you push it in and rotate it right turn, it's locked. And if you placed a new inside, use a little cotton tool to make it fat-free. That is important. Now reassemble the socket. Okay, good job. Push it back in position and then rotate it clockwise, like, I don't know, 90 degrees maybe. As you will handle this, really. It's easy. It's easy going. Everyone and every woman can do this by her or himself, really. Now let's do the same procedure at the middle bulb. Rotate it and extract it. Now have a new one. It has to be the same type of bulb, of course, and then push it back in position. Push it and rotate it right turn. Good job. Now it's locked, as you can see. Then use a tool again, a cotton tool, to clean it up a little bit. Then go back and push it back in position and rotate it clockwise. So you are going to replace all bulbs at your tail lights. Easy going, as you can see. And there it is, 3 of them. Up and the middle and on the downside. This is for braking light, flashing light, and the backlight soon. Now let's reassemble the carpet again. Push it back in position. Have a look. It has to be matched, really, because there are some slides, and you have to push back this carpet back, and it will be locked soon. Yeah, not so soon like in my turn, but you will do that better at me. Good. Now we are going to make this cover back down. You do not have to do this. If you like more space in your back side of your car, you can let it up, of course. So now, but this is important. You have to lock this lever back and then close everything. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.